We have a really clear and strong distinction between skincare and drugs, basically.
I wanted to ask you about drugs. Why is it important to be mindful of not crossing that line? And are there any red flags that consumers should be mindful of?
Things like eczema, acne, for example, these are medical conditions that really seriously impact some people's quality of life. I know I had acne and it massively impacts my self-confidence, how I felt about myself. And when you're dealing with something so important and so significant, it's really important that there is a really high bar that you're using to ensure that product's providing effects. And that's not to say that cosmetics don't go through a very high standard of testing to ensure that they're working, but for medicines that bar is so much higher. We don't want to overpromise, and we want to ensure that people who are seeking solutions for medical conditions like acne are doing so with the right support of healthcare professionals and organisations that really have a high level of authority and knowledge in that space. Some kind of real areas to look at and to be mindful of is when something very much is in a skincare space and they're making acne claims. Those ingredients might be very beneficial for acne, but have you tested on it?
And is it better than what we already have in the medicine space? Probably not.
Exactly. Without that really deep level of testing and understanding, medical solutions and drugs have so much evidence to show how they work, and a lot of cosmetic ingredients do as well. But often newer or more innovative ingredients don't have as much of that data, so it's really important to rely on what's being published and what's out there.